The QX5252 integrated circuit is a specialized LED driver designed for use in solar garden lights and energy-efficient lighting devices. It's a boost converter that allows you to power LEDs from a single AA cell or nickel metal hydride battery, with a voltage range from 0.9 volts to 1.5 volts. Key features: input voltage range, 0.9 to 1.5 volts. Output current, from 3 mA to 300 mA. Efficiency, up to 84%. Minimal setup, requires only an external inductor to operate. The QX5252 includes integrated features like an internal switch, Schottky diode, a light control circuit, and over-discharge protection. These features make it perfect for do-it-yourself projects and solar lights where simplicity, reliability, and low cost are key. For your setup, you'll need the QX5252 IC, a Schottky diode, a 10 nanofarad capacitor, and an LED. A nickel metal hydride battery with a capacity of 2500 mAh, or a smaller 300 mAh battery for solar lights. A solar panel with an operating voltage of up to 2 volts. You can solder these components onto a universal board and even use hot glue to hold them in place. The QX5252 works well without a solar panel too, powering the LED from a battery as a simple DC-DC converter. Experiment with this circuit and explore the many creative applications you can build with it. Good luck with your projects.